Mr. Jenkins, sir, as our company's CTO, I have to say we need to modernize our workflow.
What? I can't hear you.
Go ahead and take the internet off the speakerphone.
Yes.
Look, it's 2024 and we're still using spreadsheets for everything. We have to modernize, sir.
These Excel 97 spreadsheets have served us well for decades. Look at how colorful the cells are. It's a visual feast for the eyes.
Okay, forget the spreadsheets. With Slingr low-code, repetitive tasks can be fully automated through AI, freeing up employees for higher value work, making us more productive, sir.
Like fixing that damn fax machine. Helen, get me the number for Radio Shack.
Right. Well, okay, so with budget season coming...
Oh, God, great Caesar's ghost. Don't say those words.
By automating our vendor management tracking and eliminating costly labor expenditures, we're getting huge savings, sir.
Really? How much?
Well, for a company as large as ours, how does $1 million sound?
What? Helen, break out the Victrola. I feel like dancing.